Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to give a slope to a pipe in Aveva E3D, and this is a pipe to which we will provide the slope to this pipe. In Aveva E3D we can give slope by two ways in Aveva E3D. First one is by the slope pipe utility, and another one is by manually. My manually method is very easy and convenient, and we can give slope by two ways in manually. And from this pipe slope utility, you can give slope to only that pipe which have no connection. Let's say I will select this pipe and click here slope pipe. It will open here, and from here you have to select the slope. You will get the slope from your pin ID. The slope could be 1 is to 100 or 1 is to 200 or 1 is to 500. You have to select the slope from your pin ID. And I will select here 1 is to 200, and then I will apply the slope. You can see that I applied the slope here. I have one branch here which is disconnected, and the end point is also disconnected by providing the slope from the utility from the E3D. So we will give slope manually, which is much easier and faster. So I will move back this one. To give a slope here, you have to first select your direction. You should be always in forward or backward, but we will giving slope to the forward, and type P2 of the elbow, and you will find this one. And the slope degree will be vary. For 1 is to 100 it's something else, or 1 is to 200 something else. I will give all the degrees in the description along with the all Aveva E3D commands. You can go there and select from there. So you now give to direction. This is my P2 of the elbow. My direction is east, so I give east, and this is 1 is to 200 degree, 28 2865 D. D is the downside. If you want to give slope upward direction, you have to type up, but my slope is downside, so I will type D. You can see that the slope is given here, and you can check now QP2. Now slope is given. Now what we will do, we will next connect this one. You can get the direction from here. This side is my south. You follow south. Throw ID at the rate, and you now type this one P2 and give slope. Because my degree is down, so I want to give the slope downside. My direction is south side. So enter. I will next connect. So ID, and I will move it down here. Now I will again next connect. And give a distance here. When you connect, it will automatically create the flanges. So we have to delete the flange. One more is there. Now I will connect. Next connect. Next connect. Next connect. Next connect. Again, next connect. Now type direction downside. Throw ID of this elbow. And here you have to check P2 and you have to type there next through C. Now we are on down here. Uh, Again P2 and give the distance angle here. And you can create new elbow or connect old one also. So I will create a new elbow, choose all, and you will get all these commands from the description. And direction is west. Throw ID at the rate. And now here you type P2. Now west side here, downside. I will next connect. And then I will throw ID at the rate to the next elbow here. And here I will select P2. So in this way you can give a slope. And direction D, throw ID at the rate. And we will delete this elbow. So this is a very easy method to give the slope in Aveva E3D. Now we have to give a slope to here. So first we will go to backward mode and we will type here next connect. We will direction U here. Now here you check at axis at P2. And this is my P2. Type P2. And now here you have to give angle upward direction because we want to give upside. So we will type a U here. Now we will bring it back. Back, throw ID at the rate. In this way you can give the slope here. So we will check here. QP2, yes, slope is given here. And now we will run the isometric and we will see whether our slope is okay or not. Click on pipe, click on piping, and click on pipe isometric here. The isometric is showing some error. So now we have to reconnect this on. branch connect PT to last member. So now we will try. Yes, now it is okay. You can see that. See here we already give the slope here. So this is perfectly alright. So we have to change this degree to angle here. How we can do that? We have to type here, click on slope, and here we have to on degree you can give inches and down. This is the setting of the Aveva E3D. So I will cancel this one. So in this way you can give a slope to the pipe. Now if you want to give two slope in Aveva E3D, let's say here you want to give opposite slope here towards this side and this slope this side in one pipe. Same way you have to start from here. You give this one is to 100 or 200 from your pipe, and then here you give start from this point to this point. You have to give slope two ways here in this type of the pipe routing. Try this one. If you have any comment related to the slope, please comment in the comment box.